Hi, this is Bhaskar Jayavelu. Welcome back to Madras Tech 360. Today, let's see the end of the day chart analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty on 19th October 2021. As usual, let's start with the Nifty chart and mark the important supports and resistance on Nifty chart. We'll mark the PDH and PDL on Nifty chart now. This is PDH and this is PDL. And looking for the Virgin CPR, there is a Virgin CPR on 18th of October. Let's mark the Virgin CPR. Okay. Even yesterday it was trading in all-time high, so there is no swing high. Supply zone and demand zone is not available because yesterday was a complete sideways day. Let me play the candles now. Okay, market even today it opened gap up. It was nearly around more than 100 points today, and it opened with a red candle. This red candle opened above R2. This is the resistance R2, and it opened above R2 and closed below R2. But it is not a fully bearish candle because look at the wick on the downside is very big and there is no wick on the top. So you see this kind of when you see this kind of candle, this is not a fully bearish candle, so we cannot go short at this point and book the profit at the next pivot by keeping a stop loss. Even though market went down and hit the target at the pivot, I will not prefer to go for this trade as per my strategy. So there is no trade at the first candle. Looking for the next opportunity here. The market nearly crashed from at 955. In 3 candles it came down nearly 200 points, and again it recovered and came up, almost touched the day's high. When our market opened with a red candle and comes down again, comes to the day's high, we can go for the entry if there is a red candle at that point. So one can go for a short entry on this red candle. This is the entry, and you can place the stop loss above the candle, and your stop loss will be somewhere here. Sorry, your target, 2 hour target I'm talking about. As per our strategy, if the market open with a red candle and it comes down again, if it comes to the day's high, we can go for the short entry, and target will be the day's low. But look here, the target at day's low is very big, so we cannot expect the market to come to the day's low. So it is safer to book our profit at 2 hour. And looking for the next opportunity, you may see an opportunity here, this red candle which broke the CPR. But the thing is, there is no consolidation to go for the entry. Whenever there is no consolidation before any breakout, that breakout won't work, because look here, there is a parabolic movement of the market. So when before breakout there is a parabolic movement, so I will not prefer to go for this breakout trade. And moreover, in this breakout for the same day there should not be any candle on the left hand side. The market should trade above the CPR and breakout should happen at the CPR, and you should not see any candles at the left hand side. So these two criterias were not met for my strategy, so I will not prefer to go for a trade at this point. So there is no trade here. And there was another opportunity here. Look here, the market came down, touched the day's low, and it got reversed. One can go for an entry at this green candle as per our strategy by keeping the stop loss below the candle. But this candle reversed at 320, which is at the closure of the market, so I will not prefer to go for it after 3 p.m. because market will be more volatile during that time, so it's better not to trade during the end of the market hours. And in Nifty we had one trade which gave us a profit of 2R. Looking for the bank Nifty chart, let's mark the important supports and resistance. This is PDH, and this is PDL. Looking for the Virgin CPR, there's a Virgin CPR on 18th of October, but let me mark the Virgin CPR. We can also expect a gap up opening in bank Nifty chart. I think this Virgin CPR is not necessary, still will mark it. And these are the supports and resistances. Let me play the candles now. Okay, the market opened with a red pin bar. Look at this candle, it's a red pin bar candle. This candle opened above R1 and closed below PDH. We cannot go for any long or short trade here. If the same time, if we find a green candle like this which breaks the PDH and closed above the PDH, we can go for a long trade at the close of this candle and keep our target at this resistance and place the stop loss at this pivot. But it opened with a red pin bar, so we cannot go for a long entry at this point. So there is no trade at the first candle. Looking for the other better opportunity, the market came down and again it got retraced at this CPR. So as per our strategy, there is a strategy of 20 EMA reversal. Here market came down, took resistance at the CPR along with 20 EMA, so we can go for a short trade at this red candle. You can go for a short entry here. And you can place the stop loss above CPR because CPR is almost narrow CPR, so you can place a stop loss above the CPR and you can book your profit at this pivot here. This is a target. But look, market didn't reverse and it kept on going up and took away the stop loss, so there is a loss of 1 hour at this trade. And looking for the next opportunity, Market broke the CPR and came up, but it did not touch the day's high. Before that, it got reversed. If it is almost near to the day's high, we can go for an entry. But there is a huge distance between this point and the day's high. We cannot try for a short entry here. So there is no trade at this point like Nifty. And next opportunity, I could find an opportunity at this red candle. Look, this is the 20 EMA retracement. Market came down, it took the retracement at the CPR along with the 20 EMA, and we can go for a short trade at this red candle as per our strategy. This is the entry, and this will be our stop loss. And you can book the profit at the next pivot to our target. So in Bank Nifty we had two trades which gave us a profit of 1 hour, that is one profitable trade 2 hour and one loss trade minus 1 hour. So in total we made a profit of 1 hour in Bank Nifty. So overall, clubbing Nifty and Bank Nifty, in Nifty we made a profit of 2 hour. Bank Nifty we made a profit of 1 hour. So in total we made a profit of 3 hour. So if your investment is 1 lakh rupees, your profit will be 3000 rupees, which is 3% ROI, return on investment. That's all about today's end of the day chart analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Meet you all tomorrow, guys. Bye.